Kaya ka pa ako kay Mickey, ah.
Oh, kahit halikan mo pa.
Huwag ka mag-selos, ah. Lalaki naman yan, eh. Ikaw, huwag kaya yakap, pa. Nakapag-ride na kami doon. Tsaka dito. Isa lang ang di pa namin na-ridean. At sana makabook kami niyan. Ito, yung taas na yan, oh. The first executive chef at Disney
Filipino.
The only one.
Oh, the only one.
It's not a magic actually. It's a puzzle.
I know how to solve it.
You know,
Yes.
move one to make him walk any other direction.
Wow. Yo, what's up? Good morning, guys. So ngayon naman ay pangatlong araw na namin dito sa Disney Cruise. At ngayon, iba-iba yung ginagawa naming area kung saan kami kakain. So ito guys, yung food natin ngayon na kakainin. Konti lang kasi breakfast lang naman. Gym tayo mamaya ulit, ha? Alright. Siya nga pala, yung follower natin na manager dito na si Boss Ralph. Inayos niya lahat yung aming mga itinerary. Ngayon, ang ginawa niya, instead na kami pa yung mag-book dahil hindi nga kami marunong, pinayos siya sa wife niya na dito rin nagtatrabaho. So, shoutout sa inyong dalawa. Napanood nyo rin siguro yung nagmamagic trick. So, sila yon. Saka, tutuwa kami kasi ibang klaseng experience every day. Every day wake up, ibang restaurant, ibang kainan, ibang food. So, enjoy natin. Hanggang mamaya at puntahan natin mamaya si Mickey Mouse dahil meron tayong meet and greet sa kanya. Gondo dito. Ito yung Hollywood eh. Minnie!
I'm not tying it again. I think Mickey would, but Minnie.
Who's better? Me or Mickey? Yeah. Okay naman pala eh. Sige, mawin tayo.
Or Minnie? Mickey, because Minnie burn.
Kaya ka pa ako kay Mickey, ah.
Oh, kahit halikan mo pa.
Huwag ka mag-selos, ah. Lalaki naman yan, eh. Ikaw, huwag kaya yakap, pa.
Ikaw may karapatan, ako wala.
I want to.
Pasahin mo to, yung hat mo.
But I don't have a marker, sadly.
Yeah.
Come on, Marcy.
Would you like me to take this camera for you? Yes, thank you so much.
Thank you. Let's go!
Size first. Size first.
Sabrina, you go.
Okay, size first.
Come on, let's go
Big hug!
That's bigger than Mickey.
Okay.
Come on, family.
Bye, Mickey.
Hey,
I
bye-bye!
have no marker, bro.
Donald Duck! Hey, big hug!
Alright, please make way for
Galing ni Hermes. Okay guys, after namin manood ng magandang movie, ngayon naman kakain kami ng tanghalian. How are you, Max?
Good.
Enjoy ka naman? Enjoy naman kayo? Every day dapat dito tayo kakain. Hi, Mom. Good, very good. I'm happy when you are happy. If I hold it longer. Wow. Gonna bite you. Kumuha ka ulit, Mami.
Lalagay ko sa garage.
Wow. Kasama
Yes,
ito.
kasama ito. Galing. Wow. Ganda yan.
Ba-vibrate siya. Let's see if I'm worthy.
Do the four thing.
What 14?
The four stance.
Paano ba yan?
I am.
I think the vibration, it vibrates when it vibrates when you get hit.
Oh, come back to me. Oh.
Puso ni Tony Stark, oh.
Kaya nga, nasasabit daw yan here.
Wow. Kayo po pala si Tony Stark.
Hindi, si Tony kuha ko sana.
Tony.
What's that?
Sa orb.
The orb, and it comes with the power stone as well. So then you put the power stone inside, and it's gonna light up in purple. This one actually is 50% off.
Maganda ito, oh. 25,000.
25,000.
The Power Stone. But then we also have the briefcase. It's $39.99. And then
Ang
you
hirap
can...
nilang kinuha to, no? Tapos dito, bibili mo lang. Time stone. Wow! Spidey Max. Can you cut it? Wow. Oh.
And I am water.
Yay! Thank you. Bye. That is very fun. Yay!
Who's not gonna be happy? It's also music.
Paikot-ikutin tayo dyan.
So in the first instructions. Oh, right.
Yay! Let's go!
Let's go.
Wala. Yay! Woohoo! It's fun!
All right.
Hey, toes down! Yon, let's go! Ayos ah. May konting ride. Thank you! Wow! Sunset oh. Hello, kabayan.
Enjoy your first spot.
Thank you, thank you. Doon kami kumakain kanina, oh. Lalim. Tapos ito yung sinakyan namin. Another ride na naman daw. Walang kasawa-sawa sa ride tong mga to.
We're gonna try this ride. We can actually drive. I
Yeah?
think I might get my driver's license.
Oh, okay, okay.
I am so ready to get my driver's license.
Yay! Mickey! Yay!
sir.
Yun, okay. Naka-family photo din sa wakas. Sasakay kami ng kotse. Let's go! Fuel injected. No more wheels. No more. That one. Oh, dito ako sa EFI.
That one is too fast, man.
Okay. Siyempre, si-seatbelt tayo. Mabilis to eh. Let's go!
Let's go.
Yay!
Hold that.
Go, 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 go! Bilis ah! Magkaka-driver's license na tayo dito, guys. Come on, overtake! Yay! Let's go! Ay! Tapos na? Yay! Tapos na, gano'n lang yun. Nakapag-ride na kami doon. Tsaka dito, isa lang ang di pa namin na-ridean at sana makabook kami niyan. Ito, yung taas na yun. Oh. Taga Jensen kayo, kuya?
Doon ako nung nag-ride kayo.
Pare, nice to meet you.
Nag-aabang ako doon sa Magsaysay.
Ah, ganon? Dapat may sticker kita.
Okay, salamat sir. Salamat.
Ah, ba, isa-isa lang eh.
Uy, na picture.
Tara, picture tayo. Yon, thank you, Joseph. Pare, thank you. First time namin duman dito sa pinakataas ng deck. Kanina, nasa likod tayo. Ngayon, nasa gitna na tayo. Ngayon, pauna tayo sa forward kasi tumawag si Adrian ng Ads Garage. Nagaya siya ng tambay doon. Ganda dito, no? Wow. Laki. Ito naman yung pool area. First day namin, dyan unang naligo yung mga bata eh. Ayun yung likod. Ito naman yung harap. Oh, di ba? Ang ganda. Parang hindi naman nagbago. Parang ganyan din. May apat na kulay pulang malaki. Okay. Let's go! Maganda dito. Oh, ito yung baba. Ganda. Iba din dito.
Thank you. Perfect.
You're so smart.
I've been here.
Kids pool is there.
Yes.
The adult pool is here up with the bar. Very nice. Ang ganda dito. Ito na yung pinakamayaman sa Nueva Ecija.
You know?
Kamusta, pare?
Bro, 5 days na tayo nakita. Sobrang laki.
Magkasama tayo pero ngayon lang tayo nagkita.
Sobrang laki ng ship.
Kaya nga. Oh, adult time.
5 araw na tayo hindi na tayo nakita.
Tama lang din kasi me time sa mga bata. Hi! Oh, kakain kami ng dinner.
Sir, gusto niyo try yan? Yung porcini.
Sige. Dito, di kami nag-worry dito kasi may mga nag-aalaga na sa mga anak namin.
Green bread. Yeah, they let us taste their best pasta.
Ah, talagang they recommend din talaga. Very good. Hi!
I'll go into the restroom. Snow White approached me.
Oh,
What did you say?
She said, "Hello, what's your name?" I said, "Max." "Hello, Snow White." And then she said, "Where are you going?" I said, "Restroom." And then she said, "Okay, bye. Have a lovely day." La 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 la.
You don't say, where's your hood? Or where's your seven dwarfs?
If I said that, she'll say, "Oh, they're sleeping right now." I think she would say that. Because, you know, the time, it's night.
Oh, nighttime, sleeping time!
Okay. Yun. Uy, bago to ah. Iba to ah.
Diniretso na rito.
Thank you. Thank you. Sarap dito. Palagi fine dining. Gandaan walang dress code, no?
There's no dress code. This is what Kuya generally said. I'll do a magic trick after you finish your food. I think his biggest magic trick will be in the last day.
Hello!
gabi.
Good evening.
That's our chef.
It's Sir Alfred.
Thank you po.
Fred, nakita ko yung vlog niyo
Ay, ganun po ba?
Nakita ko, interesado ako dun sa ano sa Wonder.
Opo.
45K, pang bahay lang.
Yan.
Interesado. Outdoor ano?
Yeah, para buong bahay.
Kasama na yung tanke doon. Saan ba ang ano yung shop na doon?
Sa Pangasinan.
Alcala lang. Here kami, SM Rosales.
The first executive chef sa Disney
Filipino.
Na Pilipino.
Isa lang, the only one.
Oh, the only one. Wow.
Ano yan, the only one na katas ng Jollibee. So, galing ako sa Jollibee. Naging executive chef ako ng Chowking.
Wow.
Ako ang opening ng Jollibee and Chowking sa North.
Bida ang saya.
Ordonez.
Favorito ko yun.
Hindi naman ako marunong magluto. I just love eating.
Hindi po kayo marunong magluto, pero executive chef po kayo.
Nag-aaral ako ng culinary.
Ito po, chef din po si Ella.
Nag-aral din po siya ng culinary.
Masarap magluto ang...
Taga Pangasinan.
Tingnan mo naman.
Wow. Galing, galing. Nice to meet you, chef.
Nice meeting you too. Ay, salamat.
Logo po. Hindi kami nag-brunch eh. Ang goal namin, kami yung puntahan.
Oo.
Kung bibili talaga, mag-effort ka. Ngayon, kung hindi ko talaga market, hindi wala. Thank you. Kami lang gumagawa, chef, nung customize.
Original yun sa'yo.
Original yun. Yung design sa akin.
Sige,
Thank you.
balik ako mamaya.
Thank you, chef. Thank you po.
Thank you po.
Ayan, na-meet natin ang nag-iisang Pinoy chef executive dito sa Disney Cruise. At kababayan pa natin sa Pangasinan. Proud. Proud Pangasinense. So guys, enjoy na kasi this is the
Last 2 days.
2 days na lang tayo dito. Kakain tayo ng steak, guys. Pakita ko sa inyo yung pagkain namin dito. Ito yung Kermes steak. And mine is also steak. And mommy also steak.
And salmon.
Salmon and steak. And how about you? Naghati kayo. Para-paraan nga naman.
Sir, these are food and beverage director, Filipino. Sir,
Wow.
Alfred Waterman.
Hi everybody, I saw you also.
Hello,
Hi,
Robert.
Mom. I didn't know that you were here.
Kaya nga.
I was just literally watching your vlog.
Now you
I'm
are
inspired
in
with
my
your
vlog.
stories.
Big
Oh,
time.
thank you.
I just told him now.
I'm
Wow.
very inspired of your story. This water
Watermax.
Yeah.
Nice
Inang
meeting you,
libangan.
Ma'am.
Sir,
Pleasure is ours.
nakakatuwa nga kasi first night, magkahiwalay sila. Sabi ko, Sir Alfred,
Wow.
nasan si Ma'am Ella? Nasa navigator daw. Hindi pwede yan.
Ang galing.
Nag-enjoy ba kayo? So,
Di ba?
Super.
Goosebump, di ba?
Gusto namin bumalik.
excellent, excellent. Hi!
Kids, say hi to Sir Roberto. Good to see you.
Privilege to have you here. I see you around. This one.
Miss Bang. Palalalala.
Hey, Max. Hey, Max.
Please enjoy your meal.
Yes, sir. Thank you, thank you.
Nice meeting you.
Opo, nice meeting you po.
Nice meeting you. Bro, I gained 3 kilos na dito.
Forget about lang eh.
3 kilos na. Dumating ako rito, 79 lang ako ngayon.
Kasi nung nakita ko siya, naka-sweatshirt lang.
Ano bang dapat suot? Dapat ba nakagayaan?
Hindi naman. Joke.
Kung anong suotin ko, pambahay lang talaga.
Pinapanood ko nga yung vlog mo. Yung kinikwento mo yung buhay.
Oo.
Siyempre, nakaka-relate ako. Siyempre, I started from scratch. I've been give way to my brother, sister, kasi sila mag-aral. So, thanks God, nakarating ako sa posisyon.
Yay.
So,
Even si John Ray, ano daw siya eh, manager siya daw sa...
Ascot.
Oo.
Nag-ask ko din sa...
Grabe, no?
Sa Makati po.
Yay! May dessert kaming espesyal. Thank you. Galing sa executive chef. Sarap.
Wow.
Oh, what's so many? Thank you. Yan yung bigay ni Chef.
Thank you po.
Wow. Thank you, pare. Thank you. Grabe naman, sobrang...
Sobrang spoiled.
Magaling yan siya.
Uy, gumagalaw. Wow, oh, gumagalaw. Paano yun? Wow. Uy. Uy.
Oh, galing.
Wow.
Galing.
Wow, galing. Oh, oh. Nabilib na naman si Max, oh. Oh.
That's what you call the band. Okay.
Wow. Wow. Oh, Max, oh. Nahanap niya eh.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. Paano yan, Max? Wow. Finally.
You enjoy your
Alright.
John Ray wins this time. Give him round of applause. Palakpakan niya, palakpakan niya.
Dalawang beses na ako natatalo ni Max.
Nasaan Max yung tali?
There's none. Wala.
None.
Wala.
How?
Okay, wait.
The magician never revealed its secret.
Take a straw out. Take a straw out. Okay? No, take the straw out. Ginny, stay there, okay?
Can you bring the bottle down?
Oh, it's an ordinary straw.
It's ordinary. Oh, amazing!
Ano? Magician never revealed his secret.
Thank you so much.
Finally, nanalo si John Ray. Thank you.
I hope nag-enjoy po
Opo, thank you so much.
Enjoy kami, sobra.
I'm sorry, I'm not a great magician.
It's okay.
It's okay, old house.
You serve.
I just wanted to say thank you very much.
Thank you, old house. You don't need to be a magician. You have a very good service.
Yes, back home in India, I have a little
Oh, a little magic.
I told you, right? It's not a magic actually. It's a puzzle. So back home in India, I have a little horse or elephant. You will say that, you know. He's walking in that direction. I don't know what you find on that
I
side.
know how to solve it.
You know,
Yes.
move one to make him walk any other direction.
Wait,
Just one.
care of yourself, huh?
I'm trying to remember.
We can stay here whole night. I have so many of them.
Is that an elephant?
Or you can say giraffe, an animal.
Okay, this is the right here.
Right crayon. Just think where I'm gonna put, so he will walk in other direction.
There's a count of it's upside
Very
down.
true, huh? You're there. Just take it little down, little down, little down. Now he's going this
'cause it's
direction.
Oh, old house.
I'll give you one for your homework, yeah? You can take the crayons with you.
Oh, I think I know that.
How many triangles you see?
Two.
Two. Now listen the question really carefully. The answer of this trick is in my question. Move one to make it 4 triangles. The number of crayons remains same.
How?
I feel like this is a question. If you cross your eyes, like in the middle, you will see 4.
Oh.
Because as this is what my teacher taught me. Look, move one box to make it 2.
Oh,
Guess what
okay.
we did?
Oh.
We look across and then we see 2. I feel like it's a quick question.
How about my trick then?
Oh, that's your assignment. It will be answered
If you
tomorrow.
are able to sleep, if you're not gonna think of it, otherwise I'll give you the answer.
Okay, give the answer.
Then we'll do the final one tomorrow, yeah?
Okay. How?
How many move?
1.
1.
Put this one here.
4 triangles.
That's it.
Wow!
Dang!
Very good.
4 triangles.